What was the major contribution Albert Ellis made to psychotherapy? Albert Ellis was a pioneer of cognitive behavioral therapy, a form of psychotherapy that aims to change irrational and dysfunctional thoughts and beliefs that cause emotional distress and maladaptive behaviors. He founded Rational Emotive Behavior Therapy, REBT, in the mid-1950s, which is the earliest and most influential form of cognitive behavioral therapy. REBT is based on the idea that our emotions and actions are largely influenced by our interpretations of events, rather than the events themselves. Ellis proposed that there are three main components of emotional disturbance: activating events, beliefs, and consequences. He argued that by identifying and challenging the irrational and unrealistic beliefs that underlie our negative emotions, we can reduce our emotional distress and improve our well-being. Ellis also emphasized the importance of developing rational and flexible beliefs, as well as unconditional self-acceptance, unconditional other acceptance, and unconditional life acceptance. Ellis's contribution to psychotherapy was significant and lasting, as he influenced many other cognitive behavioral therapists and approaches, such as Aaron Beck's cognitive therapy, Albert Bandura's social learning theory, and Martin Seligman's learned optimism. Ellis also wrote many books and articles on REBT and other topics, such as sexuality, religion, ethics, and humanism. He was recognized as one of the most influential psychologists of the 20th century by the American Psychological Association and other organizations.